Here are 3 facts about 401ks that you probably didn't know. A 401k is a retirement account that you have with your employer. Here are the 3 things you probably didn't know about your 401k. Number 1, if you give birth to a child, you can take $5,000 out of your 401k. Penalty free if your employer allows it. Per Secure Act 2.0, there's a new rule change where if you have a baby or if you adopt a child, you have an option to take out a QBAD, which is also known as a qualified birth and adoption distribution, up to $5,000, and avoid a 10% early distribution penalty to pay for expenses like adoption fees and parental leave. Number 2, you don't own your 401k. Your employer actually owns your 401k. So they're actually legally liable to pick the best investments for the employee. Your employer also sets the plan rules for what you can and cannot do with your 401k. Number 3, your beneficiary matters. Some of you guys listening right now probably have your ex-husband or your ex-wife as a beneficiary on your 401k. And I hate that for you. So if you were to pass away, that money will go straight to them, no questions asked. If I were you, I would make sure the right person is set as a beneficiary on your 401k. Unless you like giving away free money.